My name is Inger Thorell, and this is Frederick, and we are from Eagle, Idaho.
We bought a ATC 28-foot front bedroom toy hauler. Excited to take it home today. Obviously, we want to use it as a toy hauler and maybe take the Razor out, but as it is right now, we have an older dog, and it doesn't really allow us to take vacations. So I think it's going to be like a family experience with Inger, myself, and our pooches.
We were doing a lot of research over the last 5 years, looking at different choices of toy haulers, and some of the things that gave us pause when you look structurally is the fact that the structures of most toy haulers and RV bumper pulls are constructed with wood. And we always hear about leaks and ultimately rotting. And so when we researched ATC, we realized that the structure of the aluminum frame was really something that made us feel much more comfortable for the long term. We figured it was better to have a little bit more investment up front financially for the long-term duration of the product's durability over time.
I really don't like the smell of formaldehyde from the cabinetry, and the fact that everything is stapled together is not something that appeals to me. So I like the all aluminum, everything from the frame up to the cabinets and all. It just seems like a very much higher quality product. There's a couple of things that we like that put it a class above everything else, and that is everything seems to be almost overdone. Like you don't get the 4,000 Onan watt generator, you get a 5,500 watt generator, you get two air conditioners. Everything is just two batteries, everything is just a class above the competition as far as I can see.
Well, this is our first purchase from ATC or IWS, and we had an opportunity coming back from an event on a Thursday where we got here right at 5 o'clock and they were basically locked, but we knocked on the door and said, would you just show us one of the toy haulers? And Sam was good enough to come outside and say, sure, you know, we're kind of closed, but we're not really closed, I'll take you out. And as soon as we saw it, we thought, boy, we really like this one the best. And then here we are.
So the service here is absolutely amazing, I must say. Just the facility is absolutely beautiful, and unlike other RV dealerships where it feels like you're dealing with a used car salesman, Sam's been absolutely fantastic. I think Inger's had most interaction with him, as this is actually her trailer, but yeah, she's dealt with him, and he's always super responsive, and yeah. No,
I feel like the communication piece has been super clear on what the next steps are, and Sam has been responsive to any questions I've had. And then we also had Steve that was working with us to putting the contract together. And between Steve and Sam, I felt like there was never a point where I didn't have somebody I could reach at any point in time in the day or the late evening and get things done. And they were even willing to communicate with our lender to put that last piece together to pull in the financing, as far as emailing those documents back and forth so that we could close on time. So super excited about the facility and the staff.